You probably won't believe this, but I saved myself $3,000 on editing. Yup, developmental notes, line by line editing, and even proofreading level issues. And let me say this plainly, as independent self-publishing authors, a lot of us don't have thousands of dollars sitting around to pay every single step. We have to be smart about where our money goes, where our resources go, and what we can tighten up before we start paying people. So here's something that can save you real money if you choose to use it correctly. I did all of this using one ChatGPT prompt before I ever sent my manuscript to my beta readers. Now, I know what someone is thinking. If you use AI, you're not a real author. Listen, if you wrote the book, you're an author, period. AI is not your replacement, it's your tool. The key is using it to critique your writing, not create your writing. So here are 3 quick rules so it doesn't jeopardize your voice. Number 1, write your draft first. This is the integrity piece because when you write your draft first, you have already written your words. You have not allowed AI to write your message, your tone, or your story. AI comes after you write your book. That way you're using it like an assistant that reviews what you created, not a ghostwriter that replaces you. Number 2, tell ChatGPT do not rewrite in your voice. Diagnose what's weak. This step matters because your guardrails protect your integrity in your work. If you don't set the guardrails, you invite the tool to do too much. But when you clearly say, do not rewrite, only critique, you stay in control and you're telling AI, point out the gaps, but don't touch my voice. Number 3, use AI to create an improvement plan. Then you do the revision. This is the difference between utilizing AI and leaning on AI. We're using it to critique the work we created. We're not using it to replace it. The goal is to strengthen what's already there so we can clean up what's unclear, repetitive, or out of order before we even pay someone else. That's how you save money because the tool is sophisticated enough to help you identify what's working and what's not. And then you can reshape it with your hands and your voice. And if you want the exact prompt I use to make ChatGPT evaluate my manuscript like a publisher, grade it, and tell me what to fix before beta readers, I'm going to post it in the description for you to use. Copy it and use it. Now, I want you to protect your voice, protect your budget, and still publish with excellence. And of course, use that money you saved on marketing because that's truly the hard part. I hope this helps you.